Okay, today is Monday, 20th of April. Today, right now is 10:30. Good to see everyone here. Okay, today is this is our graduates meeting. Okay, our weekly graduates webinar. And what we want to do is same thing. We want to do three things. First thing, we want to look at the market. Second thing, we want to look at individual stocks. And last thing, we want to look at your stocks. Okay. So before I go on, I think it's good to do this. Whatever I share with you all today is for education purpose. It's not advice to buy and sell. Okay. If you agree, can you please type yes? Please type yes first. Okay. So that I make sure that you understand where you are, where I'm coming from. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. So first thing first, you want to look at the S&P. We look at the first few market index, and then after that, we look at individual stocks, and last we will look at the your stocks. Okay. Today I have time, so maybe we will end at let me see. We will try to finish. Yeah, I think we have time. So let's see whether we can finish in 45 minutes. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing first, we look at the S&P 500. Okay, this is S&P 500. Okay, so when we look at the chart, we always want to look at the bigger time frame before we look at the smaller time frame. Okay, so the bigger time frame will be the weekly charts. We're going to see some context on the weekly charts first. Then we go into the daily charts for a bigger context. Okay. We can even go to monthly charts, okay, to see some context for the S&P 500. So we can see from here, let's do monthly, okay, because today we have quite a lot of people here. Okay, so this is the monthly chart of S&P 500. We have the Asia financial crisis, the drop, okay, this drop is close to 40%, and then we have the global financial crisis drop 07 to 09, about 50%. And then right now we have this drop over here about, right now we are actually only down about 12%, which is, we have recovered, okay, from this part. Okay, we have down, and then right now we are up again. Okay, so this is the monthly chart. Let's go to the weekly charts. Weekly chart is like that. Okay, this is the weekly charts. Okay, so see whether we can draw a trend line like we do on the Asian financial crisis and the global financial crisis. Okay, so this trend line we can draw, maybe we can draw something like that. Okay, this will be the trend line for right now. Okay, so we are not too concerned about this two cycle already. This two cycle finished already. Okay, but we are more concerned about this cycle now. Okay, so average up cycle is about 10.5 years. Okay, down cycle in the whole cycle is about 10.5 years. Down cycle is 1.5 years. Okay, the day I read is since 1924 is about 300 days on average. Bear market is about 300 days on average. Okay, so right now we broke the trend line. Okay, we can see from here, started from 09. We broke this trend line, and then very quickly we have recovered from this trend line over here. Okay, recovered from this trend line over here. So right now we can see the two MAs are starting to turn down. Okay, this may not have a very clear picture of the trend. Okay, but if you want to go into the GMMA, okay, then it becomes clearer. Okay, if you look at this, we can see that right now the price is heading upwards. This is the investor line. The green line is the investor line. The group of green line is the investor line, and the group of red line is the traders line. So right now the investor line is this on top of the traders line. Okay, so if it's bullish, okay, then you'll punch through. Okay, you'll punch through the price. Okay, the green line. Okay, if it's bearish, then you will hit here and retrace down this way. Okay, let's take a look at what happened in global financial crisis when it turned down. Okay, what happened when it turned down? So this is the financial crisis when it broke the trend line. Okay, and then when it tried to go above again. Okay, you see here, it tried to go above again. test the green lines, groups of green line, and then eventually come down. Okay, so from here we can see that it formed a lower high. These are lower highs. It formed lower highs. Initially, this one didn't form a lower lows. Okay, about the same low, but eventually it formed lower lows. So from here you can see this lower low. This is if it's trend changing trend. Okay, that means it's trend reversal. Okay, trend reversal. So what we are looking at here right now, what we are looking at here is okay, hang on. What we are looking at here right now is for this to test. Okay, go up this way. Go up this way. Okay, and if it fails to capture, okay, if it fails and turn down this way and break below the low, then by then we will have the lower high, because if the candle is formed here, then we have a lower high and we breaks below this support over here, then we have the lower low already. You got it? Okay. So two scenario. One scenario is it goes down and then it's a correction, and then after that it clears this green line and continue to go up, make new high. Okay, that's one scenario. Okay, how do we know if the price goes above maybe here? Okay, goes above here and then eventually break the trend line. Okay, then we know that, oh, it's going to go higher. Okay, this is just a correction. On the other hand, if it's trending down, that means if it's going down some more, okay, what we can see is price will react somewhere around here, and then later part will break this low. Then we have maybe 20% down again from this low. Okay, so that's what is the market right now. The weight of the evidence is still on down. Okay, the weight of the evidence is still on the downtrend. Okay, that means the weight of the evidence is we are going to do a trend reversal from here. Okay, how do we know? This one I mentioned in the previous webinar. Okay, this part over here, it became very parabolic. Okay, it became very parabolic. Okay, this is the first clue. Okay, the second clue is this down move is very strong. Okay, it break so much so that it break the trend line. Look at the previous correction here, here, here. It didn't break the trend line. Okay, it didn't break the trend line so fast. Okay, so this one is like boom, it went through, cuts through like butter. Okay, so looks like it's very impulsive. Of course, after the impulsive move, there is a corrective move. Okay, there's a corrective move. So right now, looking for whether this price over here, okay, this price over here will react and then later break this low. Okay, so the weight of the evidence is still on trend reversal. Okay, any question? There are a few other things. Of course, we can see that is recession coming. Okay, recession coming, or are we going to escape the recession? Because look at all this part. This part all recession period. So if we can avoid recession and make new high possible, okay, but looks like on the chart, looks like not. Okay. Any question on the index? Again, we don't anticipate, right? We want to look for trade setups. Okay, we want to look for trade setups rather than we want to look for we want to predict the market. Okay, so I remember we interviewed this Larry Hyde, right? He talked about it's not about getting every hand correct. Okay, that is not the point of getting every hand correct, because in trading you'll be wrong. Okay, the key, right? This is a person that actually is the first person who hit $1 billion in his hedge fund, the first guy in the world, right, to hit 1 billion. And he shared away it's normal to have losses, but the key is really when you have cut your losses fast and write your winners. That's the key. Okay. So what are the key support resistance? Okay, let's take a look here. Okay, Sheldon asked, right? Okay, let's be a bit accurate about this. Okay, so we go in. Okay, so let's look at where is the support resistance. Okay, usually when I look at support resistance, Sheldon, right, and even like KH Wong, is you can go to the daily charts and see where the price gather, okay, where the price tested and resisted most, okay, we supported and resisted most. So where is the key support and resistance level? There's key support resistance level, okay. I will say it's this area, yes or no? It's around this area, okay. This test, okay, test, and don't know here lah, okay. But look at this chart over here from here to here. I will say that the time when the price go up and down the most, right, is this level and maybe this level, yes or no? Okay, these are the two levels that the price go up and down the most, correct? Compared to maybe here, it went up this once, correct? Okay, this one went up and come down, and went down and come up. You hear what I'm saying? So it went up and down the most. So this level, right? This level over here, these two levels, okay, around. You know what I'm talking about? When the price cross up and down the most, you understand what I'm talking about? Okay, you understand that? Like say example, I draw here, right? Let's say I draw here. Let's say I draw here. Here only one time goes cross above one time. But this one cross, then cross below, then cross above, then cross below. You get what I see? Okay, so that's what I'm saying now. Okay, so of course there's another one that is around here. Okay, so it went down, test below and here also. Okay, so where are the points? Okay, it's not exact line. Okay, it's not exact line. I would say around maybe 2,850. 2,850. Okay, 2,850, which is like right now. Okay, then if it's higher, then we'll go to about 3,000. Okay, 3,000. And then we go down, then we'll go back to maybe around 2,580, okay, or 90. Okay, this will be the level they want to look at. Okay, these are the level they want to look at. Okay. Okay, one more thing that I want to look at is let's go to weekly, right? One more thing I look at is this thing. Okay, I want to look at the trend line. Okay, trend line is very important. Okay, right now it went below the trend line, yes or no? Okay, it went below and then went above the trend line, yes or no? Okay, so I want to, if it's bearish, okay, if it's bearish, then eventually it will break below this trend line again. Clear? Okay, that means the channel, right? The channel will go above here and then eventually come back down here. Okay, this is S&P 500. Yeah, around here lah, 2930. This one too much, too high already. Okay, so it's not a point. Okay, it's not a point. Okay, it's not a point. It's, you can also draw this straight line over here. You can also draw this straight line, but I don't think it's a point. Okay, it's more of an area. Okay, so if you do Fibonacci, okay, which we don't really teach in class, you do Fibonacci, the Fibonacci retracement is around here and around here lah, the sign of 2,930. Okay, got it? Okay, understand one thing, right? That market always overshoot one. Okay, it will not zun at 50% or at 61%. Okay, it will always go and hunt people's stop, right? People purposely put a stop here or people put a stop here. People go and hunt the stop. After they hunt the stop ready, then it turns down. Do you follow what I'm saying? Because people will say, oh, my Fibonacci is here, then I put a stop loss around here. Then sometimes they go and hunt that stop and will go and clear that stop loss, and then eventually it will come down. Understand? Okay. Okay, this one I will spend more time with the graduates, so those public, sorry. Okay, any question, graduates? No question, Sheldon. The rest, any question you will type yes or no? Clear? Very clear, right? We will see. Okay, I will say that in the next 1.5 months, in the next 1.5 months, we will know already, okay, whether it is going to be recession or not recession. We've been talking about this before, right? Okay. So guys, for the setup, right? For the setup for swing trade, you all know how to do, right? Swing trade. Okay, plot the 10 MA. Okay, plot the 10 MA. Then go to here. Okay, price go to here, and then later part CCI high. Okay, CCI high. And then you want to see some kind of bearish candle. Okay, bearish candle. The best if it's a bearish engulfing. Okay, if it's a bearish engulfing slightly lower, right? The whole thing bearish. Then you know that bearish. No setup yet. Now it's a setup. There's setup, but no trigger yet. Okay, no trigger yet. Okay, you have bearish engulfing. Last week we learned, right? Or we have like what we call this? Okay, some kind of bearish pattern. Then we can. I'm exaggerating. It may not be so long. Okay, some kind of selling pressure around here, some kind of doji around here, and then next candle dump down. Okay, all this will give us indication the following week. Okay. Daily short don't have already. Okay, daily short don't have. Okay, look at the weekly. Okay, Katie. Okay, so weekly swing. Okay, anyway, next few weeks we will watch it. Okay, next few weeks we will go through this again. Okay, next is STI. STI. Anybody bought the STI long term? Anybody bought the STI long term? Nobody. Also market timing one. Okay. But I mentioned this before, right, guys? I mentioned this before, right? If long term support, you can break into maybe 3 tranche, can buy lah. Okay, but if not, then wait for candlestick. Wait for candlestick. Okay, wait for candlestick turn red, then candlestick turn blue, then buy. Okay, if you are looking at technicals, this is like I mentioned this before, right? This is like the value line. Okay, this is like the value line to buy. Okay, this is like the extreme value line to buy. If you want to look, this is the Asia financial crisis, the SARS, global financial crisis. So we are near there lah. Okay, we are near there. If you can buy, hold for 1 year, I think it's okay. Nobody buy. Seriously? Okay, no money. Oh, you bought, huh? Oh, okay, good. Some of you all bought, okay? So if you buy the STI ETF like Lewis and Nelson, right? If you buy the STI or FC, right? If you buy the STI, then don't keep looking at it already, okay? Just close your eye because you may go through the risk. If let's say you go through recession, then you can just look at it. But you cannot keep looking at it, okay? If not, you get stressed, okay? Or you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so Lewis, FC, Dylan, Dylan no buy lah, okay? Nelson, okay, you're on board, right? Okay, so take note, okay, right now we are actually above that price already, the value price. Okay, the value price is around 16%, okay, above that value price already. Okay, so same thing, okay, price will go up here. Price will go up here, set up again the same, right? Okay, CCI high, price may go up a bit more, okay? Then this line may go down a bit more, okay? Next few weeks, okay? So what I want to look for, last week 21 days candlestick, 21 days trading challenge, right? What kind of bearish candlestick you want to see? Okay, you want to see bearish candlestick, like this one may be bearish, you know, dark cloud cover, bearish engulfing, okay? What else? All those patterns, okay? Then after that, you break below the low, okay, that will be a trigger, okay? So Yongshan, is better to wait for drop. Yes, correct. So if you want to buy again, then wait for the next round again. Okay, wait for next round again. So because here to here, right, already 16% already. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so wait for this to come down again. I think we'll have chance. You already bought, but very tempting to sell. Because demand you bought already, but you want time to sell. Because then buy for 1 year, right? It's buy for 1 year, right? So you will close I buy lah. Okay. Okay, so because demand, what you do is like I teach you one simple strategy. You buy, you sell half. You trade half, you keep half. Understand? Because like I think maybe your returns is high, that's why you want to sell, right? So then what you do is you 100% already. Okay, so let's say example, if you sell half first already, then you take the other half and trade. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, so you can do that. Okay, FC waiting for 2002 to buy again. Yeah lah. Okay, you can also do that. Okay, STI ETF not CFD. Okay, CFD don't maybe end up financing cost. Okay, STI ETF still can go on margin. Just to let you all know, STI ETF you still can go on margin. Okay, just need to ask them. Okay, FC, Picatima, Nelson. Okay, good job. Okay, so some of y'all follow long term, but the key is don't go and trade. Don't go and see. Okay, DLC cannot. Okay, DLC is short term. Okay. Next, are we okay about STI? Can we move on? If okay, can you type yes, please? Thank you. Wow, today not bad, 80 over people, close to 90. Okay, so next we look at Hang Seng Index. Okay, guys, again, analyzing the chart, right, is not the one that make you money. The make you money one is when you trade. That means when you get in, you put your stop loss, you put your target. That's where you get in. That's where you make money. Do you follow what I'm saying? This is just to give you a guide. Okay, don't use this guide wrongly. Okay, this is just to give you a guide. Okay, so that now is the Hang Seng. Okay, Hang Seng, we are further away from that super value line. Okay, I think I mentioned this before. That value line is really here. This is the, again, we have the, I repeat, I think it's like my maybe 10 times talking about this, but never mind, I just keep repeating. Okay, so these are the 3 crisis level. Okay, so right now we have not hit that crisis level yet. Okay, not yet lah. Okay, maybe around here later. Okay, we don't know where. Okay, but yeah. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you all here. Trend is still down. Okay, similarly, trend is still down. Okay, you can even do the GMMA is still down. Still down. Can you see? In fact, US is like the chart that is the more bullish one. Okay, if you look at the rest, it's not so bullish. This is a weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart. Okay, we can later drill down to the daily chart. This is the weekly chart. So right now, graduates, right now you also have set up on the swing trade here also. Yes or no? MA sloping down, CCI high, and then you can wait for it to swing down again. Okay. For those that want to find out how this setup looks like, this setup means there is a particular MA CCI, blah, 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 right? Okay, if you want to go through that, I did a free e-course. You can go to here to watch this free e-course. Okay, for those public one, it's free. Okay, so you can go to this free course and go and watch the setup, the MA CCI and stuff like that. Okay. Okay, so this weekly charts. Let's drill down to daily charts. Daily charts will be the same. Okay, going to here. CCI high. This I think right now it's better to do the weekly charts. Okay, because why? Because this move is so big. Can you see this move is so big? It should rebound a bit. Yes or no? Okay. But Dylan want to do Fibonacci on Hang Seng Index. What is the context, Dylan? What is your context? Yeah, you want to short, but what's the context? Okay, so Fibonacci, right? You can draw from anywhere, one. Okay, you can draw from here, you can draw from here, you can draw from here. What is the context? Weekly swing, okay, weekly swing is still the same. Okay, so you do from here to here. Okay, do from here to here. I can maybe go down to, okay, do down to here, right? Here, okay? I will take this high rather than this high, okay? So I assume that this whole move is one move, okay, Dylan? That means I will not take, okay, I will not take this one leg, this one leg, this one leg, this one leg. I'll take this as one leg and this as one leg, okay? Dylan, okay? I move on. CCI is not Consumer Confidence Index. CCI is the Commodity Channel Index. Is available in most charting software, okay? My setting for CCI is like that, 5 and 1, okay? 5 and 1. The standard CCI is not like that. The standard CCI is 20, okay? I suggest you go to that e-course, free course to go and learn this, okay? Because there's a particular way to trade it. And the thing, it must trigger also. It must be able to fire also, when to fire, okay? So anything else? Nothing. We go to individual stocks. Can I go on? If I can go on, type yes. Wait, not your individual stock, mine first. Let's talk about my stock first, okay? Then later we talk about yours. Okay, now let's talk about my stock first. Okay, this is today's setup. Okay, you all saw already, right? Okay, by now you all should have this list: CTXS, RMNA, RGN, RENG, ZM. Yes or no? Oh, you all should have this list. Okay, you need me to go through all of them? How many say yes? Okay, these are all prior signals, guys. Okay, these are all prior signals that we have mentioned this before. ZM is since February. Okay, February the 17th. Okay, ZM long ZM, February the 17th. CTXS is since some people faster than me. Okay, which one? Which one is still holding or not? Which one? I don't know whether it's here, but okay, mine is on the 6th of April. Okay, new signal CTXS 6th of April. Okay, CTXS, and then mRNA also on 6th of April. mRNA, 6th of April also, and then the last one is what? The last one is today one. Okay, today, and RENG. Oh, RENG was 2nd of March also. RENG. Anyone got RENG? RENG. Anybody still holding RENG? 2nd of March. Okay, 2nd of March. RENG. Okay, ZM. Okay, this is the RENG one. Okay, 2nd of March. Okay, so let's go to all the stocks. Okay, let's go to all the stocks, and then we will see what to do right now. Okay, first one is, oh, which one? First one is this one. Okay, first one is this is a new stock. This is a new stock. Okay, so daily. Okay, chart. Somebody asked, right? Collin, gap up so much, can buy or not? Okay, the thing is maybe don't buy now, okay? But let's take a look at this, guys. Okay, Trader GPS signal. This was no count, maybe here, first signal, second signal. Okay, right now it's like third signal. Yes or no? Third valid signal. Okay, so right now, guys, don't need to afraid. Don't need to be afraid. What you do is you have the arrow, right? You have the teeth. Okay, you have the arrow, you have the teeth. Then what do you do? Because this is a new high. This is a new high. It may not clear this high immediately. You got it? It may not clear this high immediately. So what you want to do is you want to wait for what? Wait for it to break the high. Okay, so the candle must go above the prior candle high. Remember this? Oh, just like example, this one. Okay, this one you have the thief, right? You also remember this or not, guys? You also remember this, the thief one? Okay, so when you're the thief, right, what do? You don't buy immediately, right? You will wait for it to clear the high. Oh, so in this case, where's the high? The high is not this day, 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 this day. Okay, on this day, then it clear the prior day high. Yes or no? Oh, so even though the thief appear here, you bought here, not here. Got it? Oh, doesn't matter, guys. Somebody outside also asked. Okay, so let's count the arrow. See, we got one valid arrow, one valid arrow. Actually, this is not, to me, it's not considered valid. Okay, why? Because it's still in the resistance. But let's say count this is one valid arrow. Yes or no? This is two valid arrow. Okay. No count, no count. This is third valid arrow. We got four valid arrow. Outside one, the Chuan Yong. Third valid arrow only. Okay. This no reset because this one didn't sell. Yes or no? Because it didn't break the low. It must break the low, right? Remember that, Ethan? Oh, this one doesn't break the low. No sell. Okay. Until the candle turn blue. Okay, until the candle turn blue. So this one, so what may happen is this same thing may happen again. So you have break candle resistance like that. Okay, then it may have pullback until it breaks the high, until it breaks the previous candle high. So same thing again here may happen again. Got it? Okay. Sure happen one. We got don't happen one. Sure happen. Either it clears the prior candle high or candlestick turn break. Oh, Benson. Either it clear the candlestick high, a previous candle high, or the candle turn break lah. But I don't think so. The candle will turn break. Got it, Benson? If you haven't buy the first two signal, can you buy the third one? Can buy. Maybe buy 40%. Okay. Get that? Okay. So outside one, no question, right? Okay. Sorry guys, if you want to find out about this system, right? Those people outside one, you can go to here. If today can clear the high, good that means if today can clear the high, just buy already lah. Oh, Cody, how come you are outside? I thought you graduate already. Okay, so if the people want to find out about the system, go to this website. You can find out. Okay. Okay. You go to the website. We have an event on the 28th of April next week. Okay, then we can we'll share you how the system works. Okay, so this is our stock. Any question? This is our stock. Any question? No question. Let me move on. If you are late on the second candle, do 50%. Okay, Ethan. Okay, so let's say 50%, then the second one you can do the first one you do 40%, then the second one you do 30%, then that's all only. Maybe the last one you do 10%. Oh, okay. Okay, so let me carry on. Next is CTXS. Who is holding CTXS? Can you type me if you are holding it? Wow, so many. Good. Li Ching, Hosan, Sheldon, Dylan. Okay, good. CTX. I think the Moderna, more people buy. Okay, I already know your individual name. Okay, CTXS. Okay. Okay, this is the system CTXS. So basically, just holding. Just holding. Wow, quite a lot also. Jiang Ling, Christine, Jia Yi, Hosan, Dylan, Sheldon, Hosan, Li Ching, Gabriel. Wow, so many people. Okay, so what you do is now you just hang on. Okay, nothing much to do. Because it haven't hit your 10% yet. Right now it's about 5%. I think it's from 6th of April, is it? Your entry, okay, again, your entry is around maybe here. Then right now it's about 5%. Okay, about 5%. So what you do is you must wait at least 10%. Okay, if it goes above 10%, then you can choose to either use the trailing stop or you wait for candlestick turn rate. Okay, I would suggest to wait for candlestick turn rate, easier. Yes or no? Okay, please don't sell too early. Okay, Moderna is sell, is it, Li Ching? Must be. D asks, is it with leverage or not with leverage? You depend on your stock lah. CTXX result already, I think, out already. Okay. Next one is mRNA. Okay, mRNA. This one up about 5%. Okay, mRNA. Wow, this one who have? mRNA. Yes, if you have. Wow, there's a lot I know. Again, Christine, Dylan, Sui Kiet, Timothy. Gabriel don't have. Oh, Gabriel don't have. Must choose the correct one. Gabriel, but you have CTXS, right? Okay, mRNA. Okay. Was sleeping when you say buy. I cannot like that. I didn't say buy. I just say the system can come have signal. Okay. iPad 7. Okay. Good. Okay. So okay. So Chen Xiang, right, asks do you hold to buy CTXS? Okay, these are not current signal, guys. These are all past signal. Okay, please don't go and buy today. CTXS, MDR, this is not today. The only thing that can look at today is this one, GILD. The only thing you can look at. These are all past signal. That means today there is no buy signal. Okay, we're just reviewing with the graduates all this past signal, that's all. mRNA. So this one, 6th of April, right? Same, we bought 6th of April. This one, we all bought your what? This one, 6th of April, you bought at this candle, right? Right now, you're up 42%. No leverage, Got leverage 3 times is 120%. But I know some of y'all sell. Yes or no? Who bought then go and sell? Y'all go and sell, right? Some I don't. Okay, some of y'all sell, okay? mRNA. Sell one sure, but no, wrong. Hosan, not correct. Correct. Not sell one sell what, okay? You don't sell more what, okay? mRNA. mRNA, okay? Dyslexic, okay, guys, okay? Okay, got 41 comment, but I know some of y'all sold. This one, some of y'all sold, okay? I don't know who lah. Some of y'all sold. Bought and sold, is it? No signal, don't go and sell. Guys, there's no signal here to sell. Got it? There's no signal here to sell. Then what do? Hang on now. Okay, now if you have more than 10%, what do? If more than 10%, what do? You just use this dotted red line. If it goes up higher, just track your gains. Oh, got it? Okay, so do this well, okay? Hosan, never sell, good, okay? So what you do is now you use the trailing stop, use the dotted red line to guide you. If you want to do that, if not, then candlestick turn rate, either case. But you now must be in profit already, cannot profit make to loss already. Yes or no? Do you know what I'm talking about? Because now you're starting to lock in gains already. Oh, any question? mRNA is still strong actually, okay? mRNA is still strong, okay? Good, if you're holding on. I think quite a lot still holding on, okay? How do you know whether it gap up the other day? I don't know, okay? Guys, we don't know, when 6th of April, when we post up this time, we don't know, okay? 6th of April, by the way, 6th of April, I don't know whether you enter correct date or not. 6th of April, I posted this, right? Okay, 6th of April, it means 5th here, okay? You must wait for it to break the high. Oh, must break the high, correct or not? Oh, must break the high, then buy. Okay, we post here, I think. Okay, so okay, let's say if we post here, that means it's this candle, okay? This candle is higher. Oh, this candle. Okay, so 39%. Okay, so don't sell if you don't turn red. Okay, simple. So even hanging man, whatever, don't sell lah. Okay, just hang on. Okay. So if not, then let me move on to next one. Okay, this kind of time frame are medium long term, guys. Okay, it is not short term 1 week trade. Okay, it's not short term 1 week trade. What you want to do, these are long term trade. These are at least 3 months trade. Okay, got it? Any question? Can still enter on next one. I think can still enter. Okay. Then REGN. Who have REGN? This one is earlier one, 2nd of March. REGN. Nobody have REGN. Nobody have. Okay, never mind. Okay. So this one, 2nd of March, we posted. Okay, REGN. And I think was here, this arrow here. Oh, so right now this is 22%. Hang on also. Okay, nothing much. Just hang on. So what happened is there's a resistance here, and then the price break above the high. Okay, now it's breaking new resistance. Hang on. Okay. Well, nobody buy REGN. Okay, never mind. Next one, ZM. ZM got people buy, right? ZM. There's quite a lot of people. Who's still holding ZM? Who's still holding ZM? ZM is on Netflix also good. Hey, where's my Netflix? Oh, Netflix was not on the every week scan. Okay, at Netflix we also talk about this. Hosan sold already. Brand also sold already. Who else? Why you no signal want to sell? Oh, maybe you sell because of this. Is it? You sell because of this break support. Okay, maybe. Okay. So Netflix was not a stock that is during our usual scan. It was a stock that not on Monday. That means was a stock that is after Monday that we talk about 15 April. This one, okay. So shall we put in Netflix also inside our list? Okay, we should put in Netflix also inside our list. 15 April. Last Tuesday, correct. Okay. I don't have time to every day go and take a look now. But this one also same. Okay. Hang on. Right now you're up about 5%. Okay. Who have still holding ZM? Who have Netflix? Brand have Netflix. Jasmine, Christine. How come people outside also have REGN? Harvey. Okay. Okay. So guys, these are not short-term trade. Okay. If you learn about candlestick the last few days, right? Oh yeah, now price is coming out. True. Price is coming down, Timothy. Price is coming down. True. Okay. So the price may go down even back to your cost. Okay, but your time frame is longer. Yes or no? Understand or not? You don't want to just sell here and buy back here again. Yes or no? Okay. Any question? So I'll put Netflix inside also, because even though it was not on the every week scan, goes up. Okay. So let's take a look at your stock right now. Okay, I think I finished my any other stocks that I want to take a look. Oh yeah. Still have. Sorry. Still have. Okay. So there are two sell signal. Again, must trigger, guys. Okay. How to explain trigger is must break the previous candle low. Okay, must break the previous candle low. PTR and VCH. Okay, VCH and PTR. These two stock, right? These two stock, you must break the low. Okay, you must break the low. These are weekly short signal, not long. Weekly short signal. Okay, guys, short signal. Okay, go and look through your setup. Okay. So if not, then let's take a look at your stocks right now. Okay. Nelson, DBS. Outside, anybody? Airport Lab. I will do as many as possible, okay? Within 45 minutes. How long did we? Oh, almost 45 minutes already. Okay. Oh, we are past 45 minutes already. Okay. DBS is okay, guys. SMT graduates must put in time frame, guys. Don't just put in the stop. Can you put in time frame? Like what's the setup and stuff like that. Okay. Outside one maybe they don't know, but inside one you won't know, right? What's your trading time frame? Our weekly swing, is it? I won't go and short this stock lah, DBS. Even though it's bearish. Okay, guys, I won't go and short this stock. What pattern is this? You all learn, right? Last week you all learned. What pattern is this? This is a pole. Very good. Bear flag. Bear flag. During our meeting, right? You learned this. This is bear flag. Can you see the candle up are very tentative? Yes or no? It's very tentative. Yes or no? It's like the move down is very impulsive. Boom, go down. One go up, it's like, should I go up or not? Should I go up or not? You follow what I'm saying? Okay, it may retrace a bit more, but this thing is still bearish. Okay. So if you want to swing, you can. Okay. Who is swinging this one? Who is asking for this? DBS is who? Nelson, right? If you want to swing, you can, Nelson. But maybe look for the 10 MA. Okay, 10 MA, look for the CCI, and then wait for it to break low. So what you do is you use this, change into daily charts. Change into daily charts. Then wait for it to break the low. Got it? I don't mind even when the candle go bearish like that. Bearish like that, then short. Okay, because your target is here. Benson? Nelson? Okay, got so many. How to finish? I already finished my 45 minutes. Okay. Let me see what other stocks. IQ is what time frame again? IQ Benson. Hey guys, put in time frame, please. Daily swing. Okay, you want to do daily swing? Can. Okay, you want to do daily swing? This daily charts. IQ, you can. Okay. I would prefer to do weekly swing. Okay, even though daily swings looks nice. Okay, so price go up. Bearish candle. Okay, one of the things to look at. Number one is this stock did not have recent low. Yes or no? Li Ching and Benson. Okay, so I suggest do weekly swing instead. Do weekly swing instead. Okay, is it confusing? If it's confusing, take away this one. Okay, use this one and this one. Can? have set up. Okay, Li Jin, you just need to know where to see. Okay. So it's a 10 and 20 weekly swing. Okay. Support is very strong at around here, or $15. So what it means also is this IQ, if break $15 means liao liao. Okay. But also what it means is if you liao liao, you must make sure that you don't go suspended. Got it? Okay, Benson and Li Ching. I'll go through the rest, okay, because a bit too slow. Okay. Weekly swing A, B, M, D. A, B, M, D. Okay. Again, I will, this one is weekly chart, right? Well, this one downtrend, guys. Can see? Oh, I know some of you are thinking, Collin, so low already, how can go lower? Don't think like that, guys, okay? If it's so low already, cannot go lower, you think about it. Like that, oh, so low already cannot go lower. After that, after this, go lower again. So low already cannot go lower, go lower again. Do you follow what I'm saying? So the trend is your friend, don't go and fight the trend. Got it? Okay? This one still down, okay? I think this one don't have that massive down move yet. It's like still down. I think it's pretty good. Okay, if you want to look for a short, you can. Okay, most of y'all cannot short, then just look for long. Okay, guys, it's so much easier to long than short. Okay, weekly swing right now, right? I post this also, right? Start looking for selling opportunity next 1 to 2 months. It's why, because if you look at the S&P 500, it starts to go overboard already. Yes or no? Oh, it started to go over, but we haven't have that trigger yet. You get it? We haven't had that trigger yet. The trigger is the week low. That means, let's say, example, S&P this week, right? S&P 500 this week, right? Must break this low, okay? Which is like 2720. Okay? That means it must have a bearish candle that goes below, break this low. If it goes higher or if it goes sideways, the best thing that can happen is the candle goes smaller. Okay, the candle goes smaller like a doji candle. Okay, like a small candle like that. That's the best. Or we have two bearish doji candle. It means price is tentative to go upwards already. Okay, then after that it starts to turn down again. Then that will be good. Got it? Graduates, okay? 4% pot for the weekly. Okay, you all do your own trade, guys. Every trade weekly is about 2 to 5%. Daily is about 2%. Okay, for the trader GPS is 50, 30, 20. Can? How come there are so many people outside of the room? Interesting. Yeah, so this ABMD, yes, can do, but need to wait for it to go below the low. Okay? Wait for it to go below the low. Sharon, why are you outside the thing? Okay, you should be inside the Zoom. Okay? Graduates, go inside the Zoom better, okay? It's faster also. Okay, I do one last one, then we call it a day, Ken. I think let's look at Zach Choi, this one, this guy, a person outside one. I think it's not our graduate. Zach, are you our graduate? Zach. Zoom is only for SMT graduates only, okay? It's not for non-graduate, okay? Zach, weekly position. Yeah, you're another student. Okay. This one weekly position don't have setup, right? Zach Choi. Zach Choi, this one don't have setup, right? Oh, this one don't have setup for weekly position, okay? If anything, maybe can look for position weekly. Maybe position weekly. Got it? Oh, you haven't graduated yet. Okay. Weekly position, okay. Oh, weekly position, okay. Weekly position, how it works is, this is long term, years, okay? You have the buy signal is the candle blue, and then sell signal candle red. So this week candle turn back blue again. Weekly position, yeah. This is okay. Okay, weekly position Z, this is okay. Oh. Wow, you all forget how to do at weekly position. Weekly position is when candle turn blue, then next candle you buy. Like not right now, candle turn blue, right? Next candle you buy. Oh. Ground. Okay. You must break high, yes. Okay, up to you lah. You want to break high, you can break high. Because this is long term. This is 17 to almost 2000. Okay, 3 years. Oh, 3 years, 111%. Okay. Any urgent one must go through one because there's really too many, right? Yeah, bigger demand, so must break high, yes. Okay. I am graduate, but do not go Zoom. Go to your Facebook group. Okay. First post, that's how we talk about the Zoom room already. Okay. Okay. Any others must do one? Apple weekly position. This one, no. Okay. Who's that? Dylan? Oh, this one no lah, because this one actually didn't sell, you know. Who asked? Dylan, is it? Dylan, this one this part didn't sell, okay? Because candlestick turn blue, you buy here, right? Next candle. Until here candle turn red. Okay, when the candle turn red, did it break the low? It didn't break the low, so you use the new candle. It didn't break the low again, use the new candle. So this one turned back blue. So this position right now, Dylan, is since this period one. Since here one. Okay. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, this one haven't sell. Okay, I think almost 1 hour already. 1 hour already. Okay. So later 5 o'clock we have webinar. Okay, Facebook Live. Okay, we do Facebook Live again at 5 p.m. Who is joining me? Type yes if you're joining me later. Free one, okay? So join me later, okay? So we will talk about interesting things, okay? Whatever things can add value to you, okay? If not, then thank you very much. Thanks for joining me for this 1 hour. Wow, today got 220 viewers. Fantastic. Thanks, okay? Thanks for joining me. See you. Bye.